employee. By adding employees and their details to Shortcuts Live, you can easily locate their contact details and add them to your roster. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add a new employee, enter the new employee's details, and allocate the employee to an appointment book position. From Employees and Rosters, select Employees. Then click Add. Enter the employee's details and contact information. You can add your employee's image if you would like by clicking Choose File and selecting their image from your computer. Select from the options under Appointment Book if you are using the online booking feature Book Me. Click Done to save. The new employee will automatically be added to the last column in your appointment book. If you want to change the current order, click on an employee's name and drag it to the required position. In this lesson, you've learned how to add a new employee, enter the new employee's details, and allocate the employee to an appointment book position.